Hello, this is Kenny Anime. In this video tutorial we will model a barrel, create a cylinder. It's better to specify it more in the z-axis and then the rest. When to loop cut. So now you can make up the barrels. It is done simply by extraction. We change the size without raising the mesh and extrude again but down. You can do the same at the bottom. We have modifiers, so let's add a septive and add another loop cut what will be our sniffers. You can do the same at the bottom, but we will cut the model in half in the same loop which I cut. Then we will remove the bottom part and add a mirror along the axis. The base is now ready for additional elements. Let's add a cylinder. This is our barrel ring. But it has polygons on top and bottom. We remove it with the help of booleans. There are other ways, but in this work we will not consider them. Add sniffers and fix polygons on top and cut it after using mirror. I save the blanks separately so that I can roll back if there are errors. I will add a sphere, it will serve as bolts. Next, I will remove some of the polygons. We do not need them and the lower part. I will put it in place when I will copy them, but not switch a modifier, but in a simpler way. I will move the mass point to the anchor, and now I can move the object around the anchor. When I copy and rotate, just in case I take them out to another collection, but I think everything is so good, so let's combine them. I am copy them down. There is a mistake where we will fix it now. I go to the modifiers and put the mirror modifiers on the nav one. Let's add more polygons. I think it's very low poly. The barrel is not ready for texturing. We will texturize it in the next video. Wish you with any animal good luck.